Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're facing this issue where your voice chat is basically disabled on Roblox and you want to know how can you turn it on to use that feature where it might be necessary in some servers or games or where it might be really useful, you can just follow up with me in this video and I'll show you exactly how can you do that very easily and very clearly. Let me first launch this server or this game. I'll show you guys that my mic is not on or my voice chat is disabled. It only says or even says that I do not have voice chat. So me and the users in this lobby have no voice chat. So we have to go ahead and follow up in this process and I'll show you exactly how to enable it. This process is going to take place in your browser, so go ahead and open any browser that you use and go to roblox.com and make sure you are logged into your account, and then let's go to settings. Tap in the gear icon in the top right corner and then tap on settings. And of course it's going to take you to settings. Now from here you must know that you must be 13 years old or older to be able to use the voice chat. So if you have entered your age mistakenly and it shows that you're under 13, you can go ahead and edit that by tapping this pen next to your birthday, and then you edit your age or correct it basically and show that you're above the 13 years old age. Anyways, once you do that, you still have to check your age to get more features. So you can check your age to get more features using two methods. You can use your ID or your camera, and one of those features is the voice chat. So anyways, you can use your ID if you want. I'm gonna use the camera for this process and I'll show you exactly how. So go ahead and tap on continue to camera. First I'm gonna complete this two-step verification process real quick. I'm gonna receive the code. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and type it down just like that. After that I'm gonna tap on verify, wait for a couple of seconds, and from here we can carry on. As you can see, it says let's use the camera to do an age check, so that's why we're gonna go through this process. After that, tap on continue. From here it says get ready for the camera. But don't worry if your PC doesn't have camera or your camera is broken. Let me show you how can you fix that. So basically you need to go ahead and tap on continue in another device. That means you're going to use your phone, that's what I mean. Go ahead and tap on that. It's going to give you this QR code that you can scan using your phone. So basically open your phone, go to your camera app or go to your QR code scanner. Basically you can have external ones. Anyways, I'm going to use the one built in my device. And then I'm going to scan this QR code that the website provided me with. After that, I'm going to tap on open in browser. Basically it's going to take me to the website where I'm going to open my camera and show them my face for them to age check me. As you can see, the website loaded up. Tap on continue and then make sure you are under good lighting, your face is clear in the camera, and then tap on continue. Might request you to give it permission to open your camera. You must do that to continue, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it permission, and after that it's gonna go ahead and open my camera directly after 2 seconds or 3 seconds, just like that. Now I'm gonna make sure my face is clear in the middle of the frame, and then it's gonna tell me to tilt my face to the right side. After a couple of seconds it's gonna tell me to tilt it to the left side, and just like that it should be done. Now the entering your age process might take a couple of seconds, so just be patient here. Depends on the server or your internet connection, and it should be done right now. Just like that. As you can see guys, it says that we estimated your age is 21 or older. After that you can close your phone, it's not really useful after that. So if it says this message right here in front of you, that means the process was successful. You are above the age of 21, therefore you are above the age of 13. That means you can use the feature of the voice chat. As you can see, it doesn't say age check anymore or anything like that, so that means we have done it successfully, and just like that we can use voice chat on Roblox without an issue. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching.